Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we've got something a little different for you. A toy vacuum designed to engage and educate toddlers. Meet the LeapFrog Pick Up and Count Vacuum in green. Now, this isn't your standard cleaning device, but it sure packs in a lot of fun and learning. So let's get right into what this toy vacuum is all about. First off, let's break down what you're getting with this little educational powerhouse. The LeapFrog Pick Up and Count Vacuum isn't just a toy. It's a learning tool. It's designed to help kids ages 2 and up develop their understanding of colors and numbers. The vacuum comes with 10 colorful play dust pieces that it can pick up. But here's the twist. This vacuum recognizes each piece by color and counts them as they go. Pretty neat, right? It's essentially combining a cleaning game with early learning, which is ideal for keeping your little one engaged. Speaking of engagement, the vacuum features a light-up panel and bouncing balls inside the canister. These elements add a fun, interactive touch to playtime, with both audio and visual effects that keep kids entertained while they clean up. It's like a little light show mixed with the joy of making things disappear. Perfect for young kids who are just starting to understand the magic of cause and effect. The handle of this toy vacuum is tiltable, which is great for those growing toddlers. It adjusts to multiple heights, so your child can continue to play with it as they grow. Plus, the attached dustbin collects the dust pieces as they get picked up, making the process feel like real cleaning. And when playtime is over, all the pieces fit inside the dustbin for easy storage, keeping things neat and tidy. In terms of specifications, the vacuum measures 24.3 inches by 6.6 inches by 7.5 inches, making it a good size for younger children to maneuver around. It requires 4 LA batteries to operate, and while the batteries are included for demo purposes, you'll want to pick up some new ones for regular use. This feature is essential for parents to know since, without the right batteries, the playtime experience might fall short. Now, let's talk about how this toy vacuum performs in a real-world setting. While this isn't a cleaning tool meant to tackle dirt or dust in your home, it does a fantastic job of mimicking the experience for young kids. The recognition of dust pieces by color and the counting feature are great for cognitive development. It makes cleaning up into a fun game of color recognition and numbers, which is ideal for toddlers just starting to grasp these concepts. The bouncing balls and light-up panel make playtime feel dynamic, and it encourages your little one to keep going. Plus, the ability to tilt the handle and adjust to different heights means your child won't outgrow this toy too quickly. They can continue to use it as they grow taller, which makes it a solid investment for a few years of fun. But what about the practicalities? The dustbin is a great size for the small pieces it's collecting, and emptying it is simple enough for both parents and kids. It's lightweight, making it easy for little hands to carry around and use, which is a plus. The only issue I could see might be with battery life. Since it uses AA batteries, depending on how much your child uses it, you may need to replace them fairly regularly. It's something to keep in mind when budgeting for this toy. Now let's dive into what really stands out here. The educational value is undeniable. Not only does it help with number and color recognition, but it also promotes motor skills, as kids have to move the vacuum around to pick up the dust pieces. This combination of physical activity and cognitive learning is perfect for little ones just starting to grasp these concepts. The bouncing balls add an extra layer of fun, making it feel like more than just a standard cleaning toy. On the downside, the vacuum is strictly a toy, so it won't be cleaning up any real messes. If you're looking for a vacuum to help with actual house cleaning, this isn't it. It also requires regular battery replacement, which could add up depending on how much your child uses it. But for its purpose as an educational and fun toy for toddlers, it's hard to find any serious faults. As for value for money, this toy vacuum sits at an accessible price point. It's not going to break the bank, and considering the amount of entertainment and learning it offers, it's definitely a worthwhile purchase for the right age group. There are similar products on the market, but few combine educational elements with a hands-on cleaning simulation quite like this one. So what are the alternatives? There are other toy vacuums out there that focus on the cleaning aspect, but they don't all offer the learning components that the LeapFrog Pick Up and Count vacuum does. If you're comparing it to something like the Fisher-Price 3-in-1 Spin and Sort Activity Center, which is also an educational toy, it does focus more on activity than cleaning, but it doesn't offer the same direct learning experience tied to colors and numbers. Alternatively, some simpler toy vacuums don't have the tilt-adjust handle or the bouncing balls inside, so they're more limited in terms of playtime engagement. When it comes to build quality, the LeapFrog Pick Up and Count vacuum feels solid for a toddler toy. The plastic is durable, and the vacuum can withstand a fair amount of rough play. The dustbin is easy to open, and overall, it's simple to maintain. No major upkeep required, except for changing the batteries. Customer service and warranty support for LeapFrog is generally well regarded. Their products tend to last, and if you run into any issues, the company typically offers reliable support to help resolve things quickly. In conclusion, the LeapFrog Pick Up and Count vacuum is a fantastic educational tool for toddlers. It provides a fun, interactive way for young kids to learn colors, numbers, and counting, all while playing pretend with a vacuum. It's an engaging toy that offers long-term value for parents looking for a product that combines fun and learning. If your child enjoys cleaning up around the house, or if you're looking for a way to introduce educational concepts like numbers and colors, this vacuum is a great choice. However, if you're searching for something to clean your home, this isn't the vacuum for you. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the link to the product in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with all our latest reviews. Goodbye till next time. And remember, there's always more than one way to make cleaning fun.